The big story, viewers, that we have for you this morning is the latest coming in from Mumbai. Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan earlier was attacked by an intruder at his Bandra residence. This incident took place around 2:30 a.m. on Thursday. The assailant used a sharp weapon, injured the actor, and the latest we are learning is that Saif Ali Khan is currently hospitalized. He is in Leelavati Hospital but is reported to be out of danger. Cops are currently examining the CCTV footage as part of their investigation. That's the big news that we are breaking for you right now.
कल रात में सुबह 3 बजे के आसपास पुलिस स्टेशन में इंफॉर्मेशन आई कि एक्टर सैफ अली खान इन पर उनके घर पे हल्ला हुआ है। पुलिस टीम और हम लोग वहाँ स्पॉट पर गए। एक्टर सैफ अली खान उनको लीलावती हॉस्पिटल में ट्रीटमेंट शुरू है विदाउट डेंजर एंड इसमें जो आरोपी है उनको ढूंढने काम शुरू है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है।
आलेलो आहे
ये सिक्युरिटी बनाई जाएगी और
बॉसेस सांगतील आलेलो आहे
ये सिक्युरिटी बनाई जाएगी और
बॉसेस सांगतील।
So this is the big story that we are tracking for you right now, viewers. At around 2:30 a.m. this morning, the residence of actor Saif Ali Khan and his wife Kareena Kapoor Khan was in fact targeted. A thief entered their house, their Bandra residence, and what we are learning is that at that point in time, Kareena Kapoor Khan was not at home. In fact, that is when a physical altercation happened between this thief and Saif Ali Khan, and that's when he got injured. And the latest update that we are getting for our viewers right now is that 4 people have been detained in connection with this robbery attempt at Saif Ali Khan's residence. 4 people have been detained by the cops. Nilesh is now joining us live for more on this. Nilesh, give us more details. This is a big update that we are getting for our viewers. 4 people have been detained in this case. Who are these 4 people? What is it that the cops are telling you?
Well, yes, Crime Branch officials in big number had reached out to the residence of Saif Ali Khan. They have seized the weapon, that is the sharp object that was used to attack Saif Ali Khan. And meanwhile, officials also informed the sequence of event. They mentioned that how at first around 2 a.m. early in the morning, this is the same building where Salman Khan resides on the 12th floor, that is the top floor. And at around 2 a.m., the said accused, the unidentified individual, was able to get access to Jahangir's room, that is the son of Saif Ali Khan. This individual was able to access, and later on the assistants, the house helper, that is Lima, reached out to her, tried to nab her, and this is when she was also attacked by the intruder, injuring her. That is the house helper got injured into this sequence, and later on, upon her screaming, it was Saif Ali Khan who reached out to help out and tried to control the said accused. However, he multiple times attacked Saif Ali Khan, and as you can see live visuals that the forensic team have also reached the spot, who are currently interrogating the matter. Meanwhile, we are getting to know through the Crime Branch officials that they have been interrogating around 3 to 4 staff members, as you rightly pointed out, that these individuals are the staff member who are for a long time been residing at the Saif Ali Khan's residence. Meanwhile, a big question remains as to how these individual was able to get access to the room of Jahangir and the house of Saif Ali Khan. Now, officials are also looking at various angles, including was he already into his residence? Was he one of the helper that worked for Saif Ali Khan? There could be a possibility of all those points, and hence the investigation is currently underway by the Crime Branch officials. As per DCP Dikshit Gedam, Zone 9, who states that investigation is currently underway. Multiple teams have been formed who are currently out, looking after this attacker who attacked Saif Ali Khan, severely injuring him. Now, surgery of Saif Ali Khan has also been done. As per the doctor's statement, the record that they have been given, that multiple injuries is what he has sustained. A sharp object also penetrated his body, his back, and which has been removed from his back around 3 to 4 inches. So it is being suspected that it was a knife that was used to attack. Officials are currently exploring all the possible angles. Now, security guards also mentions that how it is not very much easy to gain access into the premises because it also requires a biometric attendance, which is being taken by the security guard whoever enters through this the main gate. So a big question remains: was he an intruder, that is he got access from the outside, or was he someone who already was inside the house? So all of these angles is what currently the police officials are exploring, and various statements are also being recorded. Now we are getting to know around 4 individuals' statement has been recorded who are said to be the staff member of this particular location, of this particular residence.
Okay, so you're telling us statements of 4 people, from the staff of Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor Khan has been recorded. Nilesh, request you to stay on with us. Viewers, my colleague Nilesh was reporting live from outside Saif Ali Khan's Bandra residence, where this entire incident took place. Let's also now break down for our viewers what exactly happened at Saif Ali Khan's residence. Now, this incident, viewers, happened around 2:30 a.m. To 3 a.m. this morning, and there was a robbery attempt that led to a scuffle and that led to stabbing of Saif Ali Khan. Firstly, what we have learned so far, that has been confirmed as well, is that a burglar entered Saif's Bandra residence. This is where this incident took place. Then Saif Ali Khan wakes up due to some kind of noise, some kind of commotion, because it happened around between 2:30 a.m. to 3 a.m. Then the actor was attacked with sharp weapons. Now, when he tried to confront the thief in this particular case, that's when physical altercation happened, and that's when Saif Ali Khan was attacked with sharp weapons. That's what we are learning. Saif Ali Khan then got injured as well in this scuffle with this thief, and Saif, in fact, was stabbed 6 times. And there was a deep stabbing, there were deep wounds, that's what we can tell you, and that's the reason why he had to be immediately rushed to the hospital for a surgery. Saif's house help also tried to catch the thief, and this is another piece of information that we've managed to gather for our viewers. So this is exactly what happened at Saif's residence. We are learning that when this incident took place, Kareena Kapoor Khan was not at the Bandra residence of Saif Ali Khan, and after the physical altercation, Saif in fact got injured, and that's why he was in fact rushed to the Leelavati hospital, and right now he is reported to be out of danger. Let's go back to Nilesh, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Nilesh, now, the question really is that who these people really could be, because as you were showing to us, there is, a high-level security. I mean, nobody can just enter into the residence of Saif Ali Khan, in Bandra, and I believe they live on the 12th floor, so it's not really easy for just anyone to walk in. And because it happened around 2:30 a.m., between 2:30 and 3 a.m., it means that perhaps some kind of planning also went into it. So what all possible angles are currently under investigation? Any leads that the cops have managed to get? Anything from the CCTV footage that they have managed to, find?
Well, absolutely right, as you pointed out, that it is a high posh area, that is Bandra West, where not just Saif Ali Khan, but multiple A-lister stars from the Bollywood reside. And this house, the residence of Saif Ali Khan, is also a very secure location. As you can see, a strong metal gate is at first at entrance, as you can see, and then you have a security guard cabin room through which you have to mark your attendance, that is who you are visiting, who will you speaking to, and the security guard connects to the residence, that is the guest, and without his permission no individual can gain access to this premises. And as you can see, it is a multi-story structure. The top floor, that is the 12th floor, is where Saif Ali Khan and family resides. So again, a big question: if one individual is able to gain access through this gate, given possibility, then how is it possible that he is able to make out to the 12th floor without any security checks? Meanwhile, Rakesh, our colleague, has also pointed out through his sources that there's a high possibility that no individual entered this premises from outside. As per officials that Rakesh has been speaking, mentions that for the past 2 hours, the CCTV cameras were checked and it did not capture any movement from the outside, which means there is a high possibility that this intruder had gained access to the incident before the incident, that is long hours before the incident, or there is another possibility that since Saif Ali Khan has multiple staff members, so there could be a possibility that one of the staff member could also be involved into this incident. Currently,
Right.
4 individuals have been detained and they have been interrogated.
Right.
Given the perspective that there could be a possible link between the attacker and these house helpers. So all of these angles is currently what the crime branch officials and Mumbai police is interrogating
Nilesh,
and
request you to
investigating.
stay on with us.